right, going back into time. The time machine is on. Synchronous acquisition. You heard of this? I haven't. In fact, they got a SPAC deal with Arquit to go public for SPAC combination. I've never heard of either of these. This happened in May. This thing was 70 cents and now it's $1.40. So if you bought it at 70, you 2x your money. Sounds terrible, right? Well, what if we had the time machine on and we could get back before this was 70 cents? Well, I found out how. How are we going to do it? Through this company right here, Ares. What is Ares? Ares Acquisition Corporation. It's got about $150 million MERS. I think it's actually upsized. The units came with a half of a warrant. So they're kind of diluted, but the warrants are full warrant, exercisable $11.50. They're going after industries in aerospace, satellites, space exploration, quantum computing, chemistry, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, blockchain, so crypto, digital currencies. I'm already sold. I'm personally kind of sold. It's like, let me check out the team. But before I did that, I go to the website and you click on news. And they're literally just spoon feeding us hints of where they're going. The first one here, what if the internet was a blockchain? Cryptocurrency, smart contracts, infinite blockchains. Sweet, I'll take anything in this space. Quantum neutral networks are here. You know, quantum stuff isn't that crazy cool yet, but it's $2 plus warrant cool, which means 3x our money. That's why we're here, right? But then I see this thing here, quantum cybersecurity satellite SPAC Airquick, the first one I was talking about. Raised $400 million SPAC quantum encryption satellites. Quantum encryption satellites. This is literally just linking. I don't know if these guys helped out with this or what, but that was that price action I just got done showing you. And this is, I've never even heard of this, but this one even 2x. So worst case scenario, we get something like this that no one's ever heard of, and it's 2x of our money. Sounds terrible, huh? Let's check on the team. By the way, the website's actually really cool. Go to the team. It's not just banker bros. By the way, banker bros, right? Just venture capitalist guys that have no boots on the ground experience in the target they're going after. You should do about, 40 to 70% worse than guys who have boots on the ground who have already been there. So this team has kind of a mix though. We've got some first dude, Mr. Thane Ritchie. He's done lots of SPAC, M&A stuff. Specific focus on pipe transactions and de-SPAC process. But then look at this. He's been involved with Facebook, Twitter, eHarmony, Spotify, Pinterest, StubHub, Cambridge, Quantum Computing, Kraken. Y'all know what Kraken is? Big crypto player here. And Ledger. So, okay, we got all that. But then look at this. We got NASA blood in here. Program director for NASA responsible for the design, launch, on orbit assembly of the International Space Station. Can you get better than that for space? As well as integration of Russia's participation in the ISS program, mission director of space shuttle missions, the Hubble telescope. McDonnell Douglas Aircraft Company. He flies F-18 Hornets. He's I believe a corporal captain in the Marine Corps. He's the aviator of the year. Tactics Squadron, this dude's awesome. Aerospace War for National Space Clubs. And he's not the only one. We also got all sorts of other folks in here that are in the space thing. Strategic advisor here from firm globally design measurement. Okay, yeah, this guy's cool because a GE Capital right here. This guy was big with them, the deal manager. He handled GE's investments in telecommunications in all of Latin America and in Europe, post-transaction service including appointment as board of directors, integration manager for several GE investments in the region. GE invests in some really cool stuff like new techie, airplaney, cybersecurity stuff, all that. Got this other guy, cybersecurity, sensor data analytics dude. Also worked with NASA. How are you not sold at this point? 70 cents buy it. This guy was in the Marine Corps as a naval aviator. He's worked for the Defense and Science Board's Naval Research Advisory Committee, Air Force Scientific Advisory Board, NASA's Advisory Council. I mean, dude, a graduate of the U.S. Naval Academy, great. Aeronautics, fantastic. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. We also have some blood coming from Boeing. In fact, this dude here, this first guy, he was with Boeing too. So we have 2 guys now with Boeing. That's a big deal. 2 Boeing bloods. Hughes Space, DirecTV. Well, we get Aerojet, ARC, SpaceHab, Astrotech, NorthHab. Never heard of any of these, man. But Orbital Sciences, you get where this is going? This dude here has worked with Gold Bullion, but he's also worked with, oh yeah, this was kind of interesting. So he's worked as a co-founder along with Stan Druckenmiller. Huge. And Goldman Sachs is the Agricultural Company of America, one of the largest private farmland REITs in the United States. So this is interesting. A lot of the satellite stuff and all the tech stuff, it's really helping the agricultural industry, especially if they're doing vertical farming like SV Aero Farms. Again, Stan Druckenmiller. How about Steve Cohen? How about Mr. Lord Rothschild? How are we going to get something better than this? Palo Alto. We got actually a couple ties to Silicon Valley in here, which is absolutely fantastic. I'll take it. Get where we're at. How's this not going to multiply? There's even more and more. Okay, here's more Silicon Valley. There's actually some crypto, another crypto something in here. I'm not even going to look for it. It's there if you want to read it. Here's the homepage of the website. Just wanted to show you this real quick. Right off the bat, space, rockets, sweet, we'll take it. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, but again, we're still gonna multiply. Quantum computing, definitely. Crypto, I'm sure. How will it not? I don't know, 70 cents, these just launched. If you haven't liked, commented, or subscribed on the video, please do it. It definitely helps out the channel. We also have a Discord. Join on in. You get videos like this a little bit earlier, better entries. How are you not gonna make your money back in just 1 or 2 trades?